In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create YouTube ads in Canva. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know exactly how to start a design that's the right size for YouTube ads and how to get inspired quickly using Canva's templates. First, open Canva in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look toward the upper right corner for the main button that lets you start a new design. It usually says something like, "Create a design." Go ahead and click that. This is where you tell Canva what kind of project you want to work on, and it's important because choosing the right format makes sure your ad looks great on YouTube. After you click to create a design, a search bar or a list of suggested formats will appear. In that search field, type in YouTube ads. As you type, Canva will start showing you different options related to YouTube, like thumbnails, channel art, and potentially ad formats. Typing the full phrase helps Canva filter out everything that's not relevant, so you don't waste time scrolling through unrelated designs. Next, from the drop-down or list of results, look specifically for the option labeled YouTube ads. This is the format that already has the correct dimensions for YouTube advertising. Click on that option. Canva will then open up a brand new blank design in the correct size, ready for you to customize. Starting with the proper format is key because it reduces the chances of your ad getting cropped or looking stretched when you upload it to YouTube later. Once your blank YouTube ad canvas is open, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see a sidebar with different options such as elements, uploads, text, and more. For now, focus on the section labeled Templates. Click on Templates to open it. This is where Canva really speeds up your workflow. When you click on templates, you'll see a wide range of ready-made designs that are already laid out for video or ad style content. You can scroll through these and pick one that fits your brand or message. Remember, you can customize colors, fonts, and images later, so don't worry if it's not perfect at first glance. The idea is to choose a strong starting point so you're not designing your YouTube ad completely from scratch. And that's it for setting up your YouTube ad in Canva. Create a design, search for YouTube ads, select the correct format, and then open the templates panel to start building your ad.